New AI-led study has upended the UN's climate change narrative. Whoopsie. Researchers used Grok 3 to scrutinize climate-related data sets and climate change models to establish whether the anthropogenic global warming narrative is supported by evidence. This upends the climate story, says Jonathan Kohler. Nature, not humanity, holds the wheel. Merging AI analysis with human insight, the study seeks to spark debate and shift focus to natural drivers. It's available at Science of Climate Change. We invite the public and scientists alike to explore the evidence, adds Grok 3 Beta. Let's question what we've assumed and dig into what the data really says. And the data largely says the sun and nature is in control of what's happening, i.e. God that controls all that and created all that is in control, not man. Man does not have the wheel. Man is screaming in the back seat and making as if it's in control. It's hilarious.